Been a couple weeks since I broke a blade. This is one of those old blades. This isn't Jerry's Ripper 37. It was cutting nice too. You know how that goes. What do I have out here left? All right, let's wait for that thing to slow down. Sometimes getting them off of here or out of here is kind of scary. They get tight. We'll just let that thing do what it wants to do. Bearings are still good. That thing spun for a long time. Hey guys, I got to show you something. The reason you do not, well, the reason Norwood or Frontier puts those bars in the chutes is for one reason and one reason only. It's not to put your hands up in there, guys. It's not to keep you from, I mean, that might be 5% of the idea. Hey guys, this is why. It shot right through there. See that? Somebody had been standing there, it would have hit him. Let's see how much of that popped out. You know, so these bars were put in here to stop this from happening. It wasn't to keep people from putting their hands up there for the most part. So I'm going to tell you guys, that came out third 37 inches that came out. And did it break at the weld? Now the other day I found, while I was sharpening one of my blades, a micro crack. And I threw that one out, and that would have, this probably had a micro crack in it somewhere. Like I said, these blades have been sharpened. These are my original, and I've been running them for over 2 years. So let's get this untangled. You know, that's a great lesson learned, guys. I've never had it come out that far. I've had it come out 3-4 inches, but never blow out that far, guys. So really consider whether you want to cut those out or not. Now that I've done it, I wish I would have left at least one in there. You know, I never thought it would come all the way out like it did. And now I'm really concerned. I'm going to try this winter too. That will be something I'm going to weld up, just put a little piece of rod in there, weld it in, I think, because sometimes you have help and that goes past people, and that would be horrible. It would cut them up pretty good, wouldn't it? Usually it snags somewhere and doesn't make it out that far. You know, the teeth snag on this door is usually what happens. My door's all chewed up. But lesson learned, guys. Should you take those out? I'm not telling you to take them out any longer. All right. And honestly, guys, I think this might be my last saber-tooth blade. One more might be up there. And then I have Jerry's Ripper 37s.